Hello everyone, Martin Ander here from Brainy Automations, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about my latest workshop, Traffic Hijack System. This is a system that I've been using for quite some time now. I've been playing with it, revamping it, and now it's time for me to teach anyone else who wants to learn the lazy man's way to build traffic systems using other people's content. This is, in short, an AI-powered system that turns videos into unique, rankable, and powerful blogs on autopilot. I'll be throwing this workshop on the 11th of July 2024 at 1 p.m. and this is where I'm going to be showing you how we can monitor people's channels, we can grab the videos, turn those videos into really powerful, well-optimized blogs that get ranked on Google. And it's going to cover all of the technical aspects, so you don't really need to do any of that. It's just going to create these blogs in the way that they need to be created so you can focus on everything else in your business and just know that you're getting some really amazing content going out. By the end of the workshop, you will have this system that will create high traffic blogs using other people's content. So how does this work? I've left the link below for you so you can actually come and check out this whole page in your own time, but it's a 3-step system. So in the first part of the training, we're going to go through and find channels that provide really high quality information. I'll be sharing all the key things that I tend to look out for so I always maintain good quality, but also in the back end we're going to be adding in a filtering process so we don't get really bad quality stuff like short form video where it's not really giving us that much information and what's not. So you're going to always have a high quality stream of videos coming in that we can turn into blogs. In stage 2, I'm going to show you how to set up AI, and I'm also going to be giving you my own AI prompts that allow us to turn these videos into amazing rankable content that not only will Google love, but your audiences will love as well. Because remember, getting ranked on Google isn't just about stuffing in keywords and stuff like that. It's also making sure that our readers continue reading our content. So this will be human friendly, designed the way humans like to read. And then finally, we're going to be setting up a WordPress website. In fact, I'm actually going to be giving you the WordPress website so you can watch me set it up and then you can just go ahead and import the files yourself, and so you don't even need to do that much work when it comes to the techie side of things because it's already done for you. You will learn all of this without knowing how to code or program. You won't need to purchase a ton of super expensive software. There are bits and bobs that we need to buy, but it's really cost effective and you're saving a ton of money down the line. Won't need to come up with your own AI prompts because I've already gotten the AI prompts for you. You're going to be using the same ones that I use. You're not going to need to design your own blogs and websites because all the template files are going to be included for you. You won't need any SEO skills and you won't need to be paying for backlinks and followers because these blogs are naturally rankable, and you won't need to create your own videos. So this really is a done for you system. We're utilizing other people's videos, we're transforming them into unique content, and we're always staying on top of trends and everything else. So this is a really fantastic system. Another reason we want to be using other people's content is because it allows us to bypass the hard work on our end. In one swift move, we can stay relevant with trending topics as the other content creators have already done the research for us, and they've already invested their time, so we don't need to invest our time. We don't need to reinvent the wheel. There's no such thing as original ideas anymore, and if there is, then it's very, very rare. So what we're doing is we're doing what most content creators are already doing, which is being inspired by other people and then making it our own, and that's exactly what we're doing here today in this system, only we've automated it. This is absolutely ideal for anyone looking to streamline content creation for traffic generation. A few other things that you can do with this system: you can monetize it through affiliate marketing, you can offer content creation services, you can sell ad space, build an email list, create a membership site, you can charge for access to exclusive automated blog content, you can develop niche authority sites, ebook and course creation, repurpose content for different formats, collaborate with influencers, SEO and backlink building, local business promotion, digital product promotion, and content curation and newsletter. This actually solves a ton of problems for us, and there are so many earning opportunities that you can utilize the system for. So a quick recap before I leave you, which is you will get 1 to 3 hour workshop. This is over the shoulder. You're actually going to be watching me build this all live. There's not going to be any chopping and cutting and missing information. You're going to see it all done live. You're going to get a done for you WordPress website, which is the same style websites that I use. You're going to get a complete system. So this will be a complete automated blog creation system, which is going to be posting viral and relevant style content. We're also going to do a 30-minute Q&A at the end where you'll have the ability to ask me questions. You will also be able to ask me questions throughout, but there's going to be a focus section on just your questions and answers. You're going to get all of my special crafted AI prompts for the blog creation side of it, so you don't need to come up with that yourself. You're going to get my website files for rapid setup, so you don't need to design the website yourself. And of course, if you can't make the workshop, you're going to get 24/7 access to the recorded version of the workshop. So so even if you miss it, you will get access to it where you can watch anytime. And I don't just cut you off there and then. If you have any questions when you watch it, by all means send me a message over the appropriate channels that you will be given, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So I've left a link below. This is the AI powered system that helps turn videos into unique, rankable and powerful blogs on autopilot. I hope to see you in the workshop.